Sometimes they do. Yeah,
I don't know.
Yeah. So especially if it's a formal, they'll wear what they call a gown.
Gown, okay.
Yeah. It's rather archaic if you ask me, but you know, anyone's welcome. Anyone is welcome.
Okay, that's good.
You know?
That means we can.
I mean, I'm an anarchist, so they still let me in through the doors.
Everyone is like,
2,500 million. So simplify that. Yeah. Expenditures making significant cuts. Only short term, just due to their wealth, power, and land they own. You like rabbits? Hey! Is that your favourite animal? Yeah? Hey! It was a year of the rabbit last year, wasn't it? Yeah, cool! So this is the Bridge of Sighs. Name it after the Venetian one, Venezia. Have any of you been to Venice?